Hello and welcome to 9XM Star Trek with me, Shipra Khanna, where I'm going to be chatting out with Shahid Kapoor and Kiara Advani, who are redefining passion and love with their new movie Kabir Singh. तो चलिए इनसे मिलते हैं. Hi Kiara, hi Shahid.
Hi.
Welcome to my 9XM Star Trek.
Thank you.
It's so good to have you guys on my show. I'm super excited.
Thank you so
I've seen the trailer of the movie Kabir Singh. It is looking fab. Shahid, you are the possessive lover and she's like the ever gorgeous girl. So how was it shooting for this movie?
Well, it was really tough because I'm playing an alcoholic surgeon and also a medical student at the same time. And
An alcoholic surgeon.
yeah, an
That
alcoholic
sounds
surgeon.
very dangerous.
Yeah,
It's very dangerous.
yeah, it is. It is very dangerous. He is very dangerous. Kabir Singh आपकी सेहत के लिए काफी हानिकारक हो सकता है. But yeah, it was a very challenging role and there was 3 very different looks that I needed to create. So there was a lot of work that went into that. And then there was matching up to Kiara's performance and her acting abilities. And you know, when she arrives on set, it's very intimidating. So
Yeah, she
that was
takes
a lot
like
to deal with.
all the attention. of
Yeah,
course.
because there were only men on the set. So the minute she used to enter the set, nobody was interested in me anymore.
That's why he's loving this show, because you're the first person who's been praising him before
Yeah?
we even started rolling.
Oh.
And
Which
who's giving you
essentially means
compliments.
you're trying to say that nobody else has ever praised me for
Oh,
this
but
film.
all the other shows, you know how it is.
We are
na? The
promoting,
anchors
don't demote our film.
But I'm not
Just because you
talking
have issues
about
with me,
our film.
Kiara. Just because you have, let's talk about this today.
Should we bring our issues to the
Yeah,
table?
let's bring them to the table. Serve
We
us
need
some
food
food.
first.
Of course, I have cooked for you, but I want to know more about the movie, you know, Kiara, that I
But we
promise
only
you I'm
are
going to
interested
feed.
in the food.
Yeah, if you give us food, we'll tell
We
you.
have spoken
Okay,
so
fine,
much
let's
about
take
our
one
movie
bite and
that
get it
yeah,
answer.
we were
Okay,
told we'll be
perfect.
given lots of khana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've not eaten
Not
lunch.
lots.
Calendar, khana do.
So I'm going to get the food in just a jiffy.
घर का टिक्की vibe.
Yeah, good. I'm glad.
When people don't talk, that means they're liking the food.
Yeah, that is true. So we shall talk after you finish it up.
No, you talk, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
So I really want to know your experience shooting for this movie.
Yeah. We shot in Delhi. The campus portions are in Delhi. I was born and brought up in Delhi, so I have a lot of memories attached to Delhi. And whether it's the schools or it's the colleges, Delhi has a lot of red brick, and we shot against red brick in the winter of Delhi. So it made me feel very nostalgic because Gyan Bharati school mein meri padhai hui hai, which is made of all brick, and the weather was great. Me and Kiara got along really well. So I think that was actually one of the most fun portions of doing the film. And I think Delhi campus and the fact that you're showing them as medical students plays a big part in the, you know, just the that world and that energy is
That's
very
true.
refreshing and nice. It's probably one of the most important characters of my career. So I'm really looking forward to see what on the 21st of June people
I feel
think
this
about it.
film has been like a journey, because it's got everything, you know, and even when you're in love, how you start off, those initial things, sometimes you have to do long distance, all those different phases of a relationship.
Relationship, yeah.
And then even when you go through the heartbreak, what one goes through. So it really has felt like, but the minute the film got over, there were a few days where I was just like wait, now I have to ditch it.
mera
हाँ, कि
obsessive-
मतलब, no,
Yeah,
it's
she was,
not.
she was missing the obsession.
I was everything. Like
I
the whole
think
vibe on
जहाँ
set.
पे आपने जैसे शूट किया है कॉलेज कैंपस में,
हाँ.
दिल्ली में, you know, Delhi University, the DU, yeah, you were from there.
We shot with a lot of students. A lot
We
of the
were
students.
students.
We were.
हम इतने young हैं कि पता ही नहीं चला लोगों को.
बट लेकिन वो ऑब्सेशन और वो लव और वो पैशन, यू नो, उस एज में काफी होता है, राइट? सो आई मीन इट्स फन
मुझे तो इस एज में भी होता है.
अच्छा, ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट.
Love is love, passion is passion.
Should never die.
Absolutely.
Should never
So,
die.
आप दिल्ली
Keep
से
the fire
कहाँ से
alive.
हैं?
Most of my upbringing was in this place called Press Enclave, which is in Saket.
राइट. तो आपका कुछ अपने, यू नो, कॉलेज डेज का फेवरेट खाना,
Vada pav, samosa pav,
दैट्स योर फेवरेट?
energy drink. I used to love it.
Which
And
one?
energy, एक
Okay,
drink थी.
energy.
याद है वो milk based drink थी?
मुझे ना वो toasties
Both of you don't know
बड़ी
energy? उसका नाम energy drink. You're not from Bombay or what?
No,
we know other
I'm not.
Ah, that's why you don't know.
Yeah,
It's a
okay.
it's a RA product.
Perhaps.
But even I didn't know.
Yeah, it's flavored milk. What?
Flavored milk.
It's flavored milk.
So you like milk and like dairy products?
I
Is it?
used to love dairy products because I'm a vegetarian. So when you're a vegetarian, paneer, cheese, you know, you live on that. But now I am trying to be lactose free and I am trying to be gluten free.
Okay.
It's tough, but it's possible.
You look one of the fittest actors we have
Thank
in
you.
Bollywood, so
Thank
which is great, you know.
Even I have to say, one reason why I really connected with Shahid
Was?
Because his food is so much like my food. The first day we ate lunch together, I suddenly saw शाहिद के टिफिन में दूधी
Which
है,
is when I
करेला
called you.
cabbage है.
Because
Yeah.
madam used to go in a van.
No, that was the first day and it was so hot. You came in the van only and ate it
Very hot.
eventually. So दूधी, करेला, भिंडी, and for me, लोग पिज्जा देखे खुश होते हैं. I really, मुझे किसी का भी घर में नहीं.
घर का खाना. She loves घर का खाना.
It's just something else. And I was like, तू कहाँ था मेरी लाइफ में? और फिर मैं
She actually didn't miss me. She missed my cook. So when we met in the next schedule, she was
He
like,
only cooked for me. He forgot Chayan.
Yeah, he used to
make
cook
all-
specially for her.
इनके बेचारा would come ठंडा rolls. he'd
Yeah.
get. And I get like garam
Yeah.
दूधी and dal and
Yeah.
jaggu.
तो आप
Jaggu's gone on a ship now.
Oh,
He sailed off.
सो कियारा आप भी डाइट फॉलो करती हैं शायद की तरह कोई?
Yeah, I mean I'm also gluten and lactose intolerant and
Intolerant.
इंटॉलरेंट?
Yeah.
मतलब it's not good for you.
So,
It doesn't suit your system.
I've done a intolerance test, a food intolerance test,
Okay.
which basically tells you which foods you're allergic to, or you should stay you're borderline intolerant to, or what. Then keeps changing every few months. So if you're doing something like that, you should keep monitoring. But I think for most people, gluten and lactose does come under that red line.
Really?
It does. It's a thing now apparently.
Like beyond
But
the
I-
point,
But it's a thing now.
But I feel
So many
now there are
years,
lots
nobody
of
even knew
fat.
what the hell
Exactly,
gluten
and
is,
people
yeah.
still eat
It's
it.
a fad.
And once in a while, you need to shock your body. I really believe in that. But I feel lighter when I don't eat. Like
I just
when
feel
I
happy when I
avoid.
shock my body. So I like to shock my body because like,
Okay, yeah.
तो कियारा
But
आप कहाँ से हैं?
मुंबई से.
तो
Pali.
आपके लाइक स्कूल मेमोरीज या स्कूल फूड मेमोरीज या कॉलेज फूड
मुझे
मेमोरीज?
याद है स्कूल में कैंटीन में ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज द यमीएस्ट चाइनीज, लेकिन स्कूल के बाहर
Chinese?
दिस इज चाइनीज,
The Indian Chinese, ना?
इंडियन
बहुत
चाइनीज.
स्वाद
आई
है.
लव
Like,
इंडियन
even I
चाइनीज.
love
कुछ तो
Indian
है,
Chinese.
feel home at home when you eat Indian Chinese. Sorry,
I
we're not going
agree.
to gourmet restaurants like you having your Chinese. You know, little. We want
but I have
Indian
this
knowledge,
thing that girls enjoy Chinese more than boys. I've seen like boys are not
Yeah.
always so into Chinese, but most
No.
girls I know they love Chinese.
But are you
food.
comparing boys and girls?
Yeah.
What?
Why can't I?
But we are equal, yeah.
No, we are.
He's also very equal.
It's just an observation, and I tend like I've seen girls tend to like Indian boys are more like into
But I
desi
want to
food.
Desi
tell you
khana.
all
I
my
agree with
favorite,
you. I
my
agree.
favorite food when I was in school. Outside school, you know those roadside toasty sandwich wale? Amazing, and they make it on that. They have that
Grill
one single,
wala.
on that fire, and that chutney.
That square thing that
Yeah,
they
and like
serve.
the potato and it's so yummy. The way they do it ना.
But वो flavor, वो स्वाद नहीं आता.
वो स्वाद नहीं आता.
वो
जितना भी चाट वाट
the
डालते हैं.
street food का जो वो धूल and all that, the
something
flavor.
थोड़ा फेंक देते हैं घर के खाने में स्वाद के लिए. That's what you do to people, no? You sit nicely, get ready, fully tayar, don't eat anything, feed other people food, then they
I
look
just
bad
had-
with
I
food in their
just
mouth,
said,
and they also talk like this.
It's there.
Yeah.
Take it out.
Take it out.
Come, I'll take it out.
इधर है.
क्या क्या हीरोइंस के लिए करना पड़ता है. नहीं, ये मैं आपके दांत साफ कर देता हूँ.
He is
आप
the most.
कह रहा अब आप ऐसे बात कीजिए सारा इंटरव्यू अब बिकॉज आपके मुंह में कुछ हो
Okay,
सकता है.
चलो. I'm gonna enjoy my salad.
Lettuce, cactus.
So guys, जब तक ये लोग enjoy कर रहे हैं मेरा orange salsa bruschetta, you guys check out the recipe. Hi guys, welcome again to my 9XM Star Truck. Orange के साथ मैं बना रही हूँ orange salsa bruschetta. So let's get started. तो सबसे पहले मैं पैन को गरम करूँगी क्योंकि इसके अंदर मैं ब्रेड को टोस्ट करने वाली हूँ. ऑरेंज को सबसे पहले मैं जो इसका राइंड वो निकालूंगी. Here you are, that's enough. अब हम ऑरेंज के सेगमेंट्स काटेंगे. इसको पील करके इसकी जो स्किन है अंदर की वो भी निकाल दूंगी ताकि जो एक पल्प है सिर्फ यही रहे. अब मैं एक बोल के अंदर साल्सा बनाऊंगी. सबसे पहले उसके अंदर जाएगा साल्सा सॉस. इसके साथ में डाल रही हूँ ऑरेंज के सेगमेंट्स, टमाटर, अनियंस फ्रेशली चॉप, रेड पेपर और इसके अंदर मैं डाल रही हूँ हरी मिर्ची, लिटिल बिट ऑफ सॉल्ट. अब मैं इसमें डालूंगी ये फ्रेशली चॉप्ड पार्सले और ये देखिए पैन में अब हम अपनी ब्रेड को टोस्ट करेंगे. साथ में मैं इसमें डाल रही हूँ ऑलिव ऑयल. अब इसको फ्लिप इट ओवर. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस स्लाइस. इसके ऊपर ये हमारी ऑरेंज साल्सा जाएगी. So pretty, look at that. अब मैं इसको गार्निश कर रही हूँ पार्सले से. आप चाहें तो हरा धनिया भी लगा सकते हैं, it's up to you. And here you are. Our orange salsa bruschetta is ready to be served. तो स्ट्रीट फूड ऑफ कोर्स बहुत डिलिशियस होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट आई थिंक, क्योंकि उसमें धूल होती है. तो आपको पसंद है स्ट्रीट फूड शायद? बिकॉज दिल्ली में तो बहुत अच्छा खाना मिलता है, स्पेशली
I
स्ट्रीट
love
फूड.
all kinds of food. I love Delhi street food. I love Bombay
I
street
can't
food.
imagine you eating
The only street food I don't like is Bangkok because I'm vegetarian
Yeah,
and they serve insects.
Okay.
That is difficult to deal with.
तो यू नो शाहिद यू आर अ वेरी गुड कुक. आप खाना भी अच्छा
No, I
बनाते
don't.
हैं.
ये किसने बताया आपको that I'm a good cook? मुझे बिल्कुल कुकिंग नहीं आती है. I can make पराठा.
You can make paratha.
I can
So
make
you
very good
are a
chai.
good cook. It's not easy to make paratha.
I
घर में
think
इतना
what
मुश्किल है
paratha?
If
पराठा
I am
बनाना.
left alone, I will not be able to even feed myself. How does that
तो
qualify? as being a
पराठा
good
खाते हैं
cook?
आप
आलू
लोग अकेले
पराठा
होते हैं?
मैं पकाता हूँ.
पकाते हैं.
अच्छा मैं 2 लोग क्या
आलू.
एक सवाल. Yes.
We are so interested to know कि आप पराठा कैसे बनाते हैं. आलू का बनाते हैं, क्यारा पूछ रही है, या
हाँ
किसी
मैं
और
आलू
चीज़?
का बना सकता हूँ और प्याज का पराठा भी अच्छा होता है, गोभी का पराठा अच्छा होता है और
एग का पराठा.
आई एम वेजिटेरियन तो मैं
But
अंडा
since
नहीं
Kiara
यूज
likes,
करता.
what is your अंडे का फंडा?
Even I don't eat egg.
At all. And
No.
you're a vegetarian as well.
I'm not a vegetarian. I prefer fish.
You're a fishitarian.
I'm a. There's a word, pescatarian.
Yeah. So Shahid, do you cook for your kids?
I would never do that to them.
But why would you say that? आप तो इतना अच्छा आलू का पराठा बनाते हैं और क्या क्या नहीं बनाते.
People I don't like, I cook for them. My
But
kids
it's a
I
way
love.
of vengeance, avenging yourself.
Yeah,
Okay, so would you cook for Kiara?
I'd love to cook for them.
So
But
Kiara,
thank you for telling me that I'll never eat that food now.
See, I was warning you, yeah.
Yeah, it's a good one. Sorry.
See,
so Kiara, आपके शूट के मेमोरीज कुछ शायद ने कभी बना के खिलाया है?
Thank God I
नहीं मेरे कुक थे और उनकी और इनकी जैसे कबीर सिंह की इंटेंस लव स्टोरी चल रही थी. वहाँ पे जो हार्ट ब्रेक का इमोशन था वो जब ये और मेरे कुक साथ में हुआ करते थे मुझे फील होता था. क्योंकि जो इनकी बॉन्डिंग
real
होती
life
थी
with
मेरे
the
कुक जग्गू के साथ जो अब
Love
शिप पे
story.
निकल चुके हैं.
Real love
The way
story
she used to look at जग्गू आज
गए,
क्या
आज
बनाया तू देख
But सच में ऐसा ही था.
really yeah.
The way to my heart is my stomach.
तो Kiara, आपको जग्गू के हाथ की दूधी पसंद है?
बिल्कुल. So if you can make दूधी, कद्दू, any of this.
आपका
आप,
फेवरेट कुक कौन था बचपन
want
में?
me?
कोई थे ऐसे अंकल जी या कोई ऐसे जिनके
My
खाना आप
mother.
दूर से उनको बुलाती?
My mother and my grandmother.
रिलेटिव्स नॉट अलाउड.
उनके हाथ.
My grandmother.
कोई प्रोफेशनल.
See, you know what, शायद I totally believe कि जो आपकी दादी या मदर के हाथ का खाना होता है, it's incomparable. I mean, you can get the
That's
best
because you
chef.
still not met Jaggu.
Absolutely, because he sailed away.
Yeah.
So, but you tell me, आपकी कुछ मम्मी के साथ मम्मी का कुछ favorite खाना जो आपको आपकी मम्मी खिलाती थी, or some food memory from your childhood?
Actually, my mom used to not like cooking, and she once tried to cook for me, and she cooked mushrooms.
Yeah.
And वो दिन और आज का दिन है मैंने कभी मशरूम खाए. And never.
It runs in the blood. Don't
No,
cook.
I got her. I like it didn't agree with my system, and I was like, you know, in a bad state, and I was
Oh my
like,
God.
yeah. So.
But maybe it was a mushroom,
ever
not,
since then,
not your mom.
My mom has worked really hard to try and become a good cook, but मैं कभी नहीं खाता. I have got petrified ever since that day.
Yeah?
Actually, my dad makes very good rajma chawal.
Acha.
He's a more qualified cook than my mom.
Okay.
My mom might kill me after this show for saying this, but it's true. My mom is amazing at many things, but cooking is not one of them.
One of them. So आपको राजमा चावल पसंद है?
Yeah, I love rajma chawal. I love like my dad makes great chola bhatura. He's actually a really good cook. He's a really good cook. Yeah.
तो आप खाते
And
हैं?
he's like a mother, you know. जब आप बैठोगे खाने की टेबल पे, and like if he's made something, and he loves doing that, you know, when we have a family dinner and all, he'll say, मैंने बनाया,
Oh, cute.
वो भी मैंने बनाया.
Yeah.
ये क्यों नहीं ट्राई कर रहा? ये खाना है मैंने बनाया, वो तो कुक ने बनाया, तू ये खा. You know, so he loves.
I think
feeding.
you know cooking एक ऐसा आर्ट है जहाँ पे आपका पैशन है
Yeah.
उसके पीछे. I mean you know things that you're passionate about.
जी.
वो आप अपने loved ones के साथ ज़्यादा शेयर करना चाहते हो. You expect that appreciation.
Do you share food?
You, I've always offered you. You have said
नहीं,
no.
मैं जानना
He just
चाह
says,
रहा हूँ कि कुछ
"No,
लोग
I
होते
won't." मेरा कद्दू आपके कद्दू से अच्छा है सर.
मेरे अंदर एक क्वालिटी है कि मेरे ना कंट्रोल्ड क्वांटिटीज का खाना आता है. तो और कुछ वक्त जब व्हेन यू हैव टू डू बॉडी शॉट्स एंड ऑल दैट, यू नो, सो यू आर ऑन अ रियली स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट एंड यू बीइंग रियली डिसिप्लिन्ड. यू नो हाउ डॉग्स आर, वो खाना खा रहे होते हैं और आप उसके पास हाथ डालो तो वो जो आई एक्चुअली फील लाइक दैट इफ समबडी ट्राइज टू ईट फ्रॉम माई फूड व्हेन आई एम ऑन अ स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट. आई हेट इट. But this was not the case on this film. I was
really
sharing
want
it
to
with
ask
you.
you,
It was not
was
the case
it
in this
okay?
film, but many times it happens.
Because seriously, we would like to know कि आप क्या diet. I mean,
I've
Kiara of
seen
course
what you-
knows
so I don't
because हाँ.
I eat very simple घर का खाना.
अच्छा.
I'm vegetarian. I don't eat egg also. In fact, अगर केक के अंदर egg होगा तो मैं नहीं खाऊंगा. I'm very particular about that.
Okay.
I don't drink. I don't do any of those things. So I'm essentially in a healthy zone.
Right.
और within that मैं सब चीज़ें खाता हूँ. मैं usually घर का खाना खाना पसंद करता हूँ. And when I eat out, then I eat whatever I want.
Okay, perfect. Kiara, what about you?
If there's anybody
हाँ.
who eats जॉन्डिस हो जाता है, पता है डॉक्टर क्या देते हैं आपको?
बीमार वाला खाना.
नो
जो-
नमक, नो
Right.
तेल, नो
Yeah,
मसाला.
I love that food also.
I love
I
you.
love that food too. I do.
I love it.
I completely agree with it.
Waiter,
because,
can you
know,
get me another table, please?
Imagine
I'm fitting in out here.
See, the only thing that I give into is chocolate.
Okay. Yeah.
It's something that I can't resist. I just can't resist.
Dark chocolate. you don't
But
like
otherwise, I
milk
can be really good. Yeah, dark chocolate.
तो आपको भी
Yeah.
मतलब घर का ही खाना पसंद और इंडियन देसी खाना.
हाँ, मुझे sushi बहुत पसंद है. So if I'm
Okay.
going, if I want to cheat, then I will go and have
Have
like
sushi. God, so fattening, na?
But tell me one thing, Kiara, आपकी मम्मी वो अच्छा खाना बनाते हैं या?
I think my mother is, I think most mothers are like that. So she's not somebody who's naturally gifted as a cook, but she is that very कि मैं बच्चों के लिए कुछ भी करूँगी. So she'll go on YouTube and she'll make us stuff and
But
she's
does it
learned
taste
to make
good?
it tastes amazing. She's learned to make the way I eat bindi and pumpkin almost every day. And all my staff, my co-stars, everyone makes fun of me about it. But I genuinely love it. And my mom's learned to cook it if my cook's not there. I think I should learn
दो
to
ही
cook
चीज़
it
तो तू
now.
खाती है, उतना
हाँ,
तो मम्मी के लिए easy कर
But then
देगी.
she'll try to make different things and salads and she takes that interest. And I just feel like when anything's
But
made
you're a
with love.
Sindhi, right?
Yeah, so that's
तो सिंधी कड़ी आलू
हमारे घर
तो-
पे
I had
Oh my
Sindhi curry
God.
today.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
You didn't share.
You did
Sunday
ask.
को I don't know, we went. Sunday को घर पे सिंधी करी, आलू टुक फ्राई वो
दाल
सब
पकवान।
वो बनता है.
And
सेल
that
ब्रेड,
fish.
कोकी.
हाँ.
नहीं, फिश इतना नहीं बनता है.
So guys, जब तक शाहिद और कियारा किनुआ टिक्की एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, आप देखिए इसकी रेसिपी. मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ किनुआ टिक्की. आई एम श्योर माई गेस्ट्स आर श्योरली गोइंग टू लव इट. सबसे पहले हम तेल को गरम रख देंगे. तो एक बोल के अंदर मैं डालूंगी ये बॉइल्ड किनुआ और इसके अंदर जाएंगे पिसे हुए चावल. अब इसके अंदर जाएगी ये फाइनली चॉप्ड ब्रोकली, चॉप्ड कैरेट्स, अनियंस, कोरिएंडर, हरी मिर्ची, चाट मसाला, गरम मसाला एंड सॉल्ट टू टेस्ट. अब इसको अच्छे से हम मिक्स कर लेंगे. तो अब हम इसको एक टिक्की का शेप देंगे और अब हम इसे गरम गरम ऑयल में शैलो फ्राई करेंगे. ऐसे ही हम बाकी मिक्सचर के साथ भी टिक्की बना देंगे. इसे हम फ्राई करेंगे जब तक ये गोल्डन ब्राउन नहीं हो जाता. आप देख सकते हैं हमारी किनुआ टिक्की की अब ये तैयार हो गई है. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक इट आउट ऑन पेपर. अब हम प्लेट को थोड़ा ड्रेस करेंगे एंड आई एम गोइंग टू पुट माय किनुआ टिक्की ऑन टॉप. ड्रिजल इट विद चाट मसाला और ये लीजिए आपकी चटपटी एंड हेल्दी किनुआ टिक्की तैयार हो गई. टोटली हेल्दी, टोटली डिलिशियस एंड टोटली ब्यूटीफुल. I'm chatting up with Shahid Kapoor and Kiara Advani for their new movie Kabir Singh. So Shahid, you're a big star. And
You know that,
आपको
right?
हमेशा
You know that, right?
But yeah, you're quite down to earth. Of course, you're very humble. But how does it feel for you to have like a new movie coming every time? लेकिन आपको वो जो feeling, those ants in your back.
Very, very nervous. In
Yeah?
fact, me and Kiara keep
Yeah, we're
discussing this
discussing
that there's a lot of anxiety and वो last के 10 दिन ऐसा लगता है खत्म ही नहीं होते. Also ये film it's a very passionate film. कुछ फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं जो आपसे बहुत कुछ लेती हैं. You have to give your heart and your soul to those films and this is totally that kind of film. The only thing that this film has is heart and soul.
म्यूजिक के बारे में बताइए. शायद इस फिल्म के म्यूजिक में आपको क्या पसंद आया?
आई थिंक दिस आफ्टर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम एक ऐसी एल्बम आई है जिसके अंदर कोई भी डांस वाले गाने नहीं हैं, कोई भी रिमिक्सेस नहीं हैं, ओरिजिनल साउंड ट्रैक है एंड इट्स एन एल्बम विच इज़ फुल ऑफ a lot of soulful original music.
Okay.
Not by the people जो हम कई बार सुन चुके हैं, it's a lot of new people who have come up,
Oh, nice.
who have sung the songs, who have done the music. Like there is Sachet Parampara who've done the music. There is Vishal who's done the music. Relatively new kids. They've sung their own songs. And actually, I love almost all the songs in the film. Of course,
It's tough to
Bekhayali
choose,
is Bekhayali is a great song. There's another song called Kaise Hua which is coming out, which is very, very nice. I'm not naming the other songs, which I love also because Kiara loves those songs and I know that.
I think Mere Sonia and Bekhayali, I remember, were the first two songs that Shahid had made me hear when we were shooting. And I used to like messaging everybody, said, can someone send me this song? I really like it was so rough at that point. It was not even completely developed. But it was just a song which, I mean, I've been hearing it now for a year, I think. And it's, I mean, well, touch wood, people are loving it, and there's so much soul. I keep saying, I'm like that. Mere Sonia song, I'm going to walk down on my wedding too. Ye mera wala gaana.
So, Shahid, that's amazing. That's amazing. I love the music too. So, guys, whilst you are signing these Star Trek plates for me, I want
Why
you
the
to
blue
tell
for
me.
the boy and the red for the girl? Let's exchange.
Let's
it.
exchange.
तूने बोला था हम
Okay,
same है.
perfect. Perfect. How sweet. But now, whilst you are signing this, Shahid, please tell me, how do you find my Star Trek? कैसा लगा आपको?
It is so cool, yeah.
Yeah.
Who thought of this color? It's a fab color,
Me,
yellow, right?
myself.
This
It's
is like
so
a lemon
cool.
yellow, or is it
Yeah.
like a yellow, right?
It's a yellow.
Yellow.
It is a yellow.
Yes.
I'm not colorblind.
And also share with me, what is your recipe for success?
Hard
Oh.
work, hard work, hard work.
And what's your recipe for success?
That was mine.
Oh, I thought you were speaking for me.
Why would I do that? Wake up.
Hard work, and hard work.
Yeah, same. Can you please show me the signed plates? Oh my God, so sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And
Thank you for
I
having
wish
us.
and pray that your movie is a super, super success. And
Thank
thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pleasure.